What if the answer to your aging dog's health problems has been growing in your garden this whole time? Every dog owner knows that moment, when your once energetic companion starts slowing down. The morning walk gets shorter. The tail wags a little less. Your dog pants after climbing the stairs, or spends more time sleeping than playing. You visit the vet and you hear the words every pet parent dreads, "It's just age." But what if just age didn't have to mean helplessness? Today we're talking about three of nature's most powerful medicinal plants, hawthorn, dandelion, and chamomile, and exactly how they can support your dog's heart, kidneys, liver, skin, digestion, and nervous system. This isn't folk medicine. This isn't guesswork. These herbs are backed by centuries of traditional use and increasingly by peer-reviewed science. Let's dive in. Did you know that hawthorn has been used to support heart health for over 2,000 years? And modern science is now proving the ancients right? Hawthorn, Crataegus monogena, known in German as Weißdorn, is one of the most well-studied herbs for cardiovascular health. And when it comes to aging dogs, it may be one of the most important herbs you've never considered. Why your aging dog's heart needs help. Here's something most dog owners don't realize. Heart and circulation problems are among the most common health issues in older dogs. But the early signs are easy to miss, or to write off as just getting older. Watch for these clinically observed signs of cardiovascular aging in dogs. Fatigue and reduced exercise tolerance. Your dog used to run for an hour. Now 10 minutes wears them out. Increased panting after mild exertion. Even a short walk leaves them breathless. Slower gait and reduced mobility. Movement becomes deliberate, cautious, slow. Signs of poor peripheral circulation. Cold paws, pale gums, or unusual tiredness after minimal activity. These signs don't always mean something is seriously wrong, but they are your dog's body telling you that the cardiovascular system needs extra support. What hawthorn does, and why it works. Hawthorn is rich in two key types of compounds, oligomeric proanthocyanidins, OPCs, and flavonoids. These aren't just buzzwords. They are documented in peer-reviewed literature, including the European Medicines Agency's monograph on Crataegus, as supporting cardiovascular function. Here's what hawthorn can do for your dog. Supports healthy blood flow. OPCs help relax and dilate blood vessels, allowing blood to move more freely through the body. Improves oxygen delivery to tissues. Better circulation means organs and muscles get the oxygen they need to function well. May reduce fatigue associated with mild cardiac insufficiency. Dogs with early-stage heart weakness may feel more energetic with consistent herbal support. Provides powerful antioxidant protection. Hawthorn's flavonoids help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative cellular stress, supporting long-term cellular health. Supports general cardiovascular health as a complementary aid, not a replacement for veterinary treatment, but a meaningful addition to your dog's wellness routine. One important note, you may have seen claims that hawthorn reduces cancer risk. This claim has been removed from our verified script because it lacks dog-specific clinical evidence and could be misleading. What we can say accurately is that hawthorn's antioxidant compounds support cellular health, and antioxidants are well recognized for their protective roles at the cellular level. The bottom line on hawthorn: if your senior dog is showing signs of cardiovascular aging, this ancient herb, backed by modern science, is worth a conversation with your vet. That plant you've been pulling out of your garden? It might be one of the best natural medicines for your dog's kidneys and liver. Dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, Lohenzin in German, is one of the most misunderstood plants on the planet. We treat it like a weed. Nature treats it like a pharmacy. Section A, Kidneys and Urinary System. Let's start with the kidneys. Here's a quick biology refresher. Your dog's kidneys filter metabolic waste and toxins from the bloodstream every single day without a break. The urinary tract then removes that filtered waste through urine. For this system to work efficiently, your dog needs adequate hydration and a healthy urinary tract. This is where dandelion earns its reputation. Dandelion acts as a mild, natural diuretic, meaning it gently increases urine production to support toxin elimination. But here's what makes it special compared to synthetic diuretics. Most diuretics deplete potassium, an essential electrolyte. Dandelion, however, is naturally high in potassium. So while it increases urination to flush toxins, it simultaneously replenishes the potassium your dog loses, making it a safer, more balanced option than pharmaceutical alternatives. What dandelion does for the kidneys and urinary system. Increases urine production to support natural detoxification, may help flush the urinary tract and reduce water retention, replenishes potassium lost during increased urination, supports kidney function as a complementary herb. Important note. This is kidney support, not a treatment for kidney disease. Section B. Liver and detoxification. Now let's talk about the liver, the body's master detox organ. Your dog's liver does 3 critical jobs. It filters toxins and metabolic waste from the blood, produces bile to support fat digestion, and regulates the metabolism of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. It is essentially the body's chemical processing plant. The problem? Modern life puts enormous strain on the liver, even for dogs. Common liver stressors include low-quality or highly processed dog food, long-term use of medications like NSAIDs and antibiotics, environmental toxins, pesticides, household chemicals, artificial food additives, and preservatives. Over time, this burden can slow the liver down, affecting digestion, metabolism, and even the appearance of your dog's coat. Here's where dandelion's bitter compounds come in. The root of the dandelion plant contains specific compounds called sesquiterpene lactones. These are the bitter compounds, or Bitterstoff in German, you may have heard about. These compounds are the scientific mechanism behind dandelion's liver-supporting reputation. They directly stimulate bile production and secretion, which improves fat digestion and supports the liver's natural detoxification pathways. What dandelion does for the liver? Stimulates bile production and flow. Through sesquiterpene lactone activity, supports liver detoxification pathways as a mild hepatic tonic, improves digestive efficiency through enhanced bile activity, traditionally supports liver health and metabolic function. In herbal medicine traditions spanning centuries. And the results you may see with consistent use? A shinier coat and calmer skin, linked directly to better fat digestion through improved bile flow. Increased energy and vitality. A dog that simply seems more like themselves. You've seen your dog tremble during a thunderstorm. You've watched them pace and pant before a vet visit. You've wished you could just tell them, it's okay. You're safe. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. Camille in German, can't speak for you. But it can help your dog feel it. Section A. Skin and inflammation. Chamomile is one of the most well-documented anti-inflammatory herbs in the world, and its benefits for dog skin and tissue health are real and measurable. The active compounds responsible for this are bisabolol and apigenin, both validated in multiple pharmacological studies for their anti-inflammatory and skin-soothing effects. Chamomile is particularly effective for itchy, irritated skin, pruritus, reduces histamine-driven inflammation, topically mildly inflamed ear canals, gentle and safe for sensitive ear tissue, minor superficial wounds and abrasions, promotes soothing of irritated tissue, watery or irritated eyes. Note: always requires strict veterinary diagnosis before any topical application near the eyes. How to use it? Cooled, diluted chamomile tea as a gentle skin rinse or compress, soft compress applied to inflamed skin areas, diluted ear rinse, only under direct veterinary guidance. One correction from earlier versions of this script: chamomile tea should never be used as a general eye rinse at home. Unsterile preparations and plant allergens can pose serious risks to the corneal tissue of dogs' eyes. This has been removed from all recommendations. Section B. Digestion. Chamomile works on the digestive system in a fundamentally different way than dandelion, and together they make a powerful team. Common digestive problems in dogs include diarrhea, sensitive stomach, food intolerances, gas, bloating, and stress-induced digestive upset. If any of these sound familiar, pay attention. Chamomile's role in digestion. Chamomile relaxes the smooth muscle of the gastrointestinal tract, reducing cramping and spasm. It reduces intestinal inflammation. And because of apigenin's effect on the nervous system, it directly calms stress-related digestive symptoms, the kind your dog experiences before car trips, thunderstorms, or vet visits. Dandelion's role in digestion. While chamomile calms, dandelion activates. It stimulates the production of digestive juices and bile, supports nutrient absorption and gut motility, and, crucially, contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy microbiome means better digestion, better immunity, and better overall health. Together. Cherry blossom chamomile equals calming, relaxes the gut, reduces inflammation, soothes the stress response. Blossom dandelion equals activating, stimulates digestion, supports gut bacteria, improves bile flow. Section C. Stress and nervous system. Hook number 5. The science hook. Most people know chamomile is calming. But do you know why? The answer is in your dog's brain, and it's more fascinating than you'd expect. Chamomile contains a flavonoid called apigenin. This compound binds directly to GABA receptors in the brain, the same receptors targeted by many anti-anxiety medications. The result is a mild, natural calming effect, without sedation. This matters enormously for dogs dealing with thunderstorms and fireworks, car rides and travel anxiety, veterinary visits, changes in environment or routine overstimulation or insufficient rest. The symptoms of stress in dogs: nervousness, restlessness, panting, pacing, trembling, and stress-induced digestive upset, can all be meaningfully supported by chamomile's apigenin activity. What chamomile does for the nervous system: reduces acute stress and anxiety without causing sedation, supports nervous system recovery after stressful events, calms stress-related digestive symptoms. Because the gut-brain connection is real, even in dogs, can be administered as diluted chamomile tea or in supplement form. Dosage must always be confirmed with your veterinarian. 3 plants, 6 body systems. One simple truth: nature has been looking after animals long before pharmaceuticals existed. Here's the complete picture of what these 3 herbs support together. Body system plant: key action, heart and circulation. Hawthorn improves blood flow, cardiovascular support, kidneys and urinary. Dandelion, natural diuretic, flushes urinary tract, liver and detox. Dandelion stimulates bile, supports detox pathway, skin and inflammation. Chamomile, anti-inflammatory, soothes irritated tissue. Digestion: chamomile plus dandelion calms gut, stimulates digestion. Prebiotic, stress and nervous system. Chamomile, mild calming effect, reduces anxiety. Here's the challenge I want to leave you with today. Look at your dog. Really look at them. Are they as energetic as they used to be? Is their coat as shiny? Do they seem anxious or uncomfortable after meals? Are they slowing down in ways you've been telling yourself are just age? What if it doesn't have to be that way? Hawthorn, dandelion and chamomile are not miracle cures. They are not replacements for your veterinarian. They are tools, powerful, natural, scientifically supported tools that can help your dog feel better, move better, and live better. Before you add any herbal supplement to your dog's routine, always consult a licensed veterinarian. Herbal remedies are complementary support, and the right professional guidance ensures your dog gets the safest, most effective approach possible. But the conversation? That starts today. If this video helped you see your dog's health in a new way, like, share, and subscribe. Because every dog deserves a healthy, vibrant life, and so does every dog owner who loves them.